Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Jiggers. My name is Rohit and you're watching Tech Jiggers, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys a hot fix for Forza Horizon 5 random crash. I already uploaded a video on the same topic yesterday, and that was covering basic steps like you need to make sure that you already done those steps. So if you have done that and still your game is crashing, then you can follow me along and you can try this quick fix. Anyway, in case if your problem is not that and you are not able to launch the game at all, then you can probably try uninstalling your antivirus or at least disabling the antivirus and try. And also I'll mention couple of apps that you need to uninstall, or you can't use these apps that I'm showing on the display right now along with the game same time, so make sure that you are not running them in the background. And also if your antivirus is a third-party antivirus, just disable it or uninstall it completely and then try to launch the game. That mostly fix the problem for crashing on startup, but your problem is not that it. And if your problem is basically like the game crashes after 15 minutes or 20 minutes, then this is the fix that you can try. And I was able to play the game for 6 hours continuously without any crash. So anyway, this is a pretty simple thing. All you have to do is just launch the game first. I'm not going to launch the game because I'm recording right now, so I'm not going to launch the game, but all you have to do is launch the game. Once the game starts loading, you need to minimize the game and then you need to come back to this search, and then you need to type for task manager and open task manager, and then you need to go inside this details tab, and then you need to go down a little bit down, and you can find something called explorer.exe. so just right click on it and then you need to end task. That's it. So once you end task, everything like you won't be able to see your desktop anything, because basically you are you are disabling half of the windows. I expect the problem of crashing is because of the memory leak or something. Then if that is the case, then Playground need to come back with a proper patch or a fix. Till now you can use this thing and you can play the game continuously without any issue. So once you have done playing, then if you want to get back to your windows, then all you have to do is you need to hold Control Alt Delete, and then you need to take task manager. Then you will be able to get this task manager. Then just click on file, then run new task, and here you need to type explorer.exe, and then click on OK, and you will be able to access your windows back. So basically all you have to do is open task manager, then you need to end explorer.exe and play the game. And once you are done with the game, you can just come back to task manager, and then you just click on file, new, and then run explorer.exe. Yeah, this is only solution that worked for me, and I hope this one helped for you also. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if this helped for you, a like and a comment is well appreciated, and also subscribe to my channel for more fix of other games also. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you soon in another video.